Hi YouTube. Today we're gonna be doing a nerf review. Let's start off with this little gun. Great secondary, has lasers. Hold up to 4 bullets, 3 bullets, and yeah. Next gun is dart tag. It holds 10 bullets. Goes about 100 feet. Very powerful. Next gun we have here is the Raider CS-35. Has a big drum that goes with it, holds up to about 500 bullets. Shoots far, very powerful. Great primary. We got some little attachments here. Just a normal laser that you could stick on like a recon or anything like that. And then we have a nice little scope here. Take that off, makes it clear, put it back on, makes it look all yellow. Bam, bam. Okay, our next little gun that we have here is the gangster gun. It's actually called the nerf dart tag gun. Comes in yellow, green, and red. And then great secondary, goes about 5 feet. Next gun we have here is the End Striker. Enlist, engage, and enforce. Holds up to 8 bullets. Very good gun. The next gun that we have here is the Nerf Recon. I'm pretty sure everybody who's watching this video knows what a Recon is. They're pretty good. The Recon CS6 holds up to 2 clips. Each clip holds about 6 bullets. Shoots pretty far. Very great gun. Next we have the double shot shotgun. Good gun. Takes a little longer to reload than most. Shoots 2 times. Holds bullets back here. When we pop it out, they pop up. Great primary. We have another Recon CS7. Very powerful gun. Similar to the Recon CS6. Takes forward relatively fast and goes a lot faster. And that is my nerf review. Comment, subscribe, and like.